Now that the columns are finished, it's time to build stands. We're simply using cardboard boxes and foam adhesive.
Okay, we got our gray stuff, and we're going to go back and forth. Just make S's.
It's like whipped cream.
It does look like whipped cream, but we do not want to eat it. Okay, that's why I have the gloves on, because again, you guys do not want to get this on your hands at home there. So we have our box. It's all taped up with packing tape, top and bottom. Look at that. Ooh, high-tech stuff here. Watch this. Now this is going to become our rigid base for the back. You can see that this is going to work out absolutely perfect. Once we have it aligned, what we're going to do is we're going to take it off our sawhorses, and what we're going to do is we're going to lay like maybe a toolbox. We have a couple of saws, whatever you have around your church that has a little bit of weight, because this foam does expand.
Now that the column support is attached, we need to create the base.
So we have our glue gun here. We cut our box 14 inches. And again, this is just the end of this box that we cut off. So 14 inches, taped it up on the bottom. And then what we have here is this great hot glue gun, but you can use any hot glue gun that you want, or you can use great stuff, or you can use duct tape, packing tape, but we happen to have a great hot glue gun. And what you're going to do is you're just going to put it on there and hold it there for a minute for just some extra added security. Is we're going to go ahead and tie the two together. A little bit of packing tape.